so beautiful, she is strong. Oh yeah, she is powerful, sophisticated and confident.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jelaine. If this is your first time here, I'm happy to have you. Please check out my other videos. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your support and welcome back. In today's video, I will share with you the recipe I used to make my DIY sugar wax. I will also point out what didn't work for me so you can avoid the same mistakes and have a flawless recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups sugar, a 1/4 cup lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup water. I have been getting so many requests for this, and so the recipe and instructions will be listed in the description below. Stay tuned until the end so I can show you how to reheat the mixture if it gets a bit firmer than you like.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
this is what the mixture will look like after we have combined all 3 ingredients. I'll go ahead and put the mixture in the microwave for 30 seconds. This is what the mixture looks like after 30 seconds. Not much different from when we started. I'm gonna go ahead and microwave for 2 additional minutes. This is what the mixture looks like after a total of 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So after the additional 2 minutes. I'm now going to microwave for an additional 3 minutes. So this is what the mixture is looking like after an additional 3 minutes. As you can see, the color is starting to change.
I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
It looks like I can go ahead and microwave it for another 3 minutes, so that's what I'm about to do. So this is what the mixture is looking like after a total of 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Now this is where I actually made my error. I thought, oh, the mixture looked still a tad on the clearer side, and so I wanted it to be a bit darker. So I made that decision to pop it back in for another 2 minutes. However, I should not have done that. I think right now I could have just gone ahead and used it the way it is. So as you can see, my mixture has been overcooked. Very darker than I was going for. However, I was still able to go ahead and use it. So you can still get results from this. However, it will make the wax, especially when it's cooled down, a bit harder. Right now, this is perfect for making like hard candy. My recommendation, if you are boiling your mixture in the microwave, is to shoot for 8 minutes, 30 seconds, 9 minutes at most.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
So this is the mixture after I have taken it out of the microwave. It is extremely hot, so definitely handle it with care and Also, you want to allow this to cool for about 30 minutes to an hour before applying that to your skin. As I mentioned before, this is extremely hot, so you definitely want to handle with care. This is the consistency after about an hour, or a little bit after an hour. It is definitely a bit thicker, and I do believe it's because I cooked the mixture, so it's a little bit thicker than I'd like. However, I was able to still go ahead and use this. I had better results when I used the wax strips. So if you are using wax strips, then you don't have to worry too much. However, at the end, I'm actually going to show you how to reheat the mixture if you find that you forgot about the mixture and it got a bit hard or a bit firmer than you'd like.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So this is the mixture after it has gotten a bit hard. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and place the entire container in a pot of water, and I'm going to boil it on the stove just until I get the consistency that I want. Don't forget to allow it to cool before using. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.
She is woman.